just started.
You know?
Yeah, intuition, just wanna follow intuition. All my senses tell me I know what you've been thinking. I've been feeling, what if we got up, left this party? Cause I can see you're probably gonna be scrolling feeds all night long. Your friends are drunk and the DJ keeps playing the same songs. Time isn't moving along. So would it be cool to say, do you wanna Yeah, I see you there biting your cherry lips, giving me a hint at an early exit. Can't believe, gotta pinch your cheek to know this isn't fantasy. Right, skip the chit chat cause that shit cheap. Doesn't matter either way cause I can hear everything. Wanna get some air to breathe cause I can see you falling asleep. Your friends are drunk and the DJ keeps playing.
Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel.
And time isn't moving along. So would it be cool?
Hello vlog, happy Friday. I'm here. That's my brother, my baby brother. This is Rafi.
And then your right foot goes up.
Oh. I wanted to vlog because my brother just bought a condo and it's pretty empty right now. And he has requested my expertise to organize things. Anyway, we're on Amazon and we're looking at spice jars. And you guys know how it's a trend to like buy the uniform spice jars and add labels. So I'm giving him an example because he's never seen it. And tell me why. It says rice.
Who puts rice in a spice jar?
He said he's still gonna put on.
Oh yeah, I'm putting the rice label on the salt shaker, and some people think that they're putting salt in their food. Sure.
You're the worst. This is my section.
What do you think about a rice Maybe I do just buy the other one later. How? We just started. I want more.
Ready?
Fabulous.
It's okay.
But I look like a garden gnome.
Hello, good morning, happy Sunday. Back from the third trip to IKEA in 24 hours. I'm starting the extra chairs we bought because we only bought 2 first today. We're trying to set up what we can because our cousin Martin is
Coming to eat with us.
coming to eat with us. We also picked up some poke for lunch, and hopefully if we set it up first, we can eat our first meal on the table.
Problems.
everyone, happy Tuesday. I had a very great morning so far. Had a hard time sleeping last night. I think it's just because of the boba that I had. I had like maybe some caffeine, but I ended up getting up around like 8:30. Took a hot girl walk this morning, which felt great. It just felt really peaceful, good to just be out in the morning in the fresh, crisp fall air. Got back, made me and my brother just a little breakfast because both of us aren't like too hungry, but we are planning to have a late lunch because our cousins live in the area, so we're gonna meet up with them later.
Very badly.
Let's do it. We'll just
Buzz cut?
Sweating. As you saw, I was wearing like a quarter zip thing earlier, and I don't know why I thought that was a good idea, just because it hit the 70s because it was still so hot outside. And then when I got to the parking garage, I realized I don't have my brother, so I have to carry all this stuff, and I was determined to do it in one trip, which I did. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but I pretty much stuffed everything I got from HomeGoods, Target, and Daiso. And these 2 plastic bags I got from HomeGoods, which was my first stop. And then these 2 reusable bags, which is all Target stuff. I'm going to like peel off all the stickers of things and get it organized, and then start organizing his closet. That's my goal for today. Like,